Aloha, Nina here with Mermaid Nina Travels. Today we're going to talk about my hands down, absolute 100% favorite resort on property, Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. So stay tuned and follow along as I give you a resort and room tour. So first things first, just like if you were coming on vacation, the first thing you're going to do is enter the Great Ceremonial House. Now to get there, you're going to walk this lush, beautiful path with a little waterfall and some gorgeous Polynesian flowers. You might see a tiki or two. I can't say enough about this little outside lobby area. It is tropical, it is paradise, it is lush. It just makes me feel like I'm in Hawaii. I am somewhere other than Disney. And this is how I personally want to feel when I go on vacation, because we all know Disney is very Disney. It's kind of nice to come back to your room and just be in pure heaven. So of course, once you get into the ceremonial house, and they just redid this is a look of the lobby. It used to have a really grand waterfall inside of it. They did take that out. They included Maui. He is now the watcher of the resort, and there is a little water feature underneath him that you can kind of see there, which is very peaceful. Again, I love the flowers. I love just the whole feel of this resort. Again, it just makes me feel like I'm in a happy, quiet place. We do love to come and sit on this furniture here when we're waiting for our room to be ready, or after we grab a bite or coffee or something. And of course, when you look up, you've got those Japanese water balls that are on the ceiling there. It's beautiful. I mean, the pictures really don't do it justice. When you're there, it's just a grand experience to see. And this is the look of the resort in whole, which includes the new bungalows on the water edge. And this is something my kids do get every time we go. We get our leis, and they get a little bucket to use to play in the sand. That's just our little gift. So of course, we always say stay Polynesian club level, which is always in the Hawaii building. So next you're going to see what our room number was on this particular trip in the Hawaii building. All right, welcome to my room. Now this is the standard Polynesian room. It's typically 2 queen beds, and then sometimes you do get that sofa bed that turns into a twin, which my son loves, because then he doesn't have to sleep with either his sister or one of his parents. Now this room is just so pretty. Again, it's spot on for theming, Polynesian detail everywhere you go, between the headboards, the light fixtures, the subtle, I forget what those things are called on the bed right there. The little pillows. You can even find little hidden Mickeys, including in this painting. We love looking at this painting. I tried to zoom in on the hidden Mickeys, but the glare kind of wouldn't let me. And of course, there is a fan. Here is the bathrooms at the Polynesian. You do get the double sink. The only downside to this is the toilet and the shower are in the exact same room. So there is no someone goes potty, someone gets ready kind of thing. It's very much family style. But again, I love the wallpaper. From far away, you don't really notice. Up close, there's turtles. It's just, I could go on and on and on about how much I love this resort. So again, back to our room, you're going to see the standard mini refrigerator that's in all Walt Disney World resorts. Again, with the coffee pot there. This is what the fridge looks inside. So again, not too much stuff fits, but I think enough to get you going for a couple of days. Here's a close-up of the current coffee machine over at the Poly. And then in the Hawaii building, on the floor that we usually get, we have a nice balcony. It's just a quiet, peaceful place to go, have a coffee, have breakfast, enjoy the sunset, whatever. This particular view on the back of Hawaii, the Hawaii building, was partial pool, partial walkway. This was actually a very nice spot. It was very quiet. You could not hear much going on from the pool. Of course, that is the quiet pool over there. That is not the pool with the slide. It's just so pretty, and happy. I mean, I just can't, again, I can go on and on. Look at the details here. This is one of the new updated longhouses there. Just so cute with that tiki face. I love it. And of course, here's a little close-up of the signage that's on property. Tells you exactly where to go, transportation for the bus. And my absolute favorite thing are the trash cans. I cannot get enough of the Disney themed trash cans. I take pictures of those trash cans everywhere I go. Again, another Japanese fishing ball over there. One thing we love to do is just walk the property. We always find Tikis. I do believe this is Pele, who is from Disneyland's Tiki room, and I think she's over there now. I saw her last week. She was over in the Dole Whip area. So that's my daughter with Pele. If you look really, really close, you see what we're zooming in on right there? You got it. That is Cinderella's castle. So from the resort, you can see Magic Kingdom. I absolutely love it. And yes, you can purchase or upgrade to a theme park view and have the castle out your window. And of course, the Polynesian serves Dole Whip. So in case you are not going to the park that day, you can get a Dole Whip. Now this is a close-up of one of the older menus. Currently, the Polynesian does serve several different flavors of the Dole Whip, not just the traditional pineapple and vanilla. I love the theming. Again, Disney did not miss the mark with this Polynesian theming. This is a look of the quick service location at the Poly. I didn't get pictures inside because it's constantly changing, but it's Captain Cook's. And of course, if you want that adult beverage, you gotta go to Trader Sam's Grotto. I cannot say enough about that place. I really don't want to give it away. When you're in there, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is the signage, so you will know when to expect your bus, you know how long you have to wait, what to do. This is one of the new features they put in. This is the splash pad area. Again, you can see the water going everywhere. So something I love to do is to walk the resort at night. So if you stay tuned, you're gonna see what is called the torch lighting ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this concludes our evening torch lighting ceremony. Thank you for joining us. From all of us to all of you, we want to say aloha!
Aloha! I love that. They do that absolutely every night, you know, depending on weather conditions. So one thing we love to do at the Poly is walk around. I mean, why not? You're paying for the resort, walk around. Here shows a close-up of the boat dock where you can actually rent pontoon boats and little speed boats and also, you know, take the friendship boat over to Magic Kingdom. But again, just the lush, beautiful paradise. Here's a close-up of the bungalow villas that they put in recently. And back behind there, you can see the contemporary resort. On the other side over here, you'll see the Grand Floridian, but it looks like I'm zooming in again on the castle. Love that you can see Magic Kingdom from here. So here's the Grand Floridian. You can actually walk to the Grand Floridian from the Polynesian. There is a nice little pathway. It's a decent walk, but it's nice. Grab a cocktail and a friend and have a nice chat along the waterway. It's a great way to spend an evening. Again, another zoom up of that castle. I mean, I'm going to say it 200 times during this video. You just can't beat it. You can't beat that excellent view. But sadly, when your trip is over, you have to go and do airline check-in. Polynesian will do that for you. You can get your bags checked in so you don't have to take them on the bus. And sadly, of course, when you do have to take the bus, this is what happens. I know. Who likes leaving their resort? But again, Hopefully we all had a wonderful trip. I mean, you're staying at the Poly, so of course you did. So please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and comment. I would love to hear from you. So mahalo for watching. Nina out.